So, do you think like a scientist? Well, if you do, then what you're going to notice is that you observe something when you see some phenomena, nature of the world around you, and that observation or something you notice leads to a question. Okay, I'm going to give you an example of that today. I want you to check this out and tell me what you notice and what you wonder. Let's go. Alright, so in this video we see a red fox. It's in the winter time. We see it on compact snow. We see it on soft, fluffy snow. We see a couple of different foxes. What I want to know is what exactly do you think is going on that's a claim, and what evidence or observation do you have to support that? So oftentimes a claim could be seen as an I wonder statement. Hey, I wonder why, or I wonder what if, but we actually state it instead of a question as something that we believe. But we gotta be able to support that with evidence and with reasoning, which is something our brain connects the piece of evidence to what we've noticed. Okay, so scientists always observe and they question and they use that to generate the scientific process. Sometimes that scientific process can be further observed until you get an answer or more evidence that supports your claim, or you can actually carry out a scientific experiment that leads to actual data that you can use. Either way, we're looking for evidence. Now, evidence could be observations or it could be experimental data, but either way, all we're trying to do is to have a better explanation supported by evidence and reasoning to help us make a claim. Hey guys, for Guy Sci, this is Bryce, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and check us out next time for Animal Encounters, Thinking Like a Scientist. See you later.